So maybe your house doesn't feel relaxing as it used to, or doesn't feel as relaxing as it used to. If your home doesn't feel as relaxing as it used to, it's probably not because you're stressed, and it's probably not your fault. It's just as you get older, you notice things more than you used to. Same house, same routines, but something feels off. And it's hard to explain. Constant background noise, drafts that you unintentionally brace for, dry air, uneven temperatures, systems cycling on and off. All of these things are something you start to notice that you didn't notice before. Maybe they were always there. Maybe there was something that you kind of got used to, but now they're bugging. Maybe it's time to have a checkup. Have some HVAC company come in and look at it. Now, if the guy that comes in, if he's good, he's going to ask you all kinds of questions, and he's going to try and get his head wrapped around what's happening and what's important to you. Unfortunately, I've seen a lot of guys, they'll come in, they'll walk straight down to a furnace, they'll look at, yeah, we can get you a new furnace, here's the price, and away you go. But if you were to do that and you were to change it, it might not be any better than what you already had. It might be newer, might be a little more reliable, but is it any more comfortable? So you want to make sure that you think about how you're feeling and you convey that to someone, the person you're talking to, or write it in the comments, send it to me, and I'll see if I can help you get your head wrapped around what's going on. Anyway, stay warm, stay cool, stay tuned, and I'll do what I can to help you out. But thanks for watching.